What's going on, Bully fan? This is Alex here at VP Bullies. I got a lot of questions on how to make a stack box, where I got my stack box. I actually made it. It cost me probably about 60 bucks to make it. There are places that sell them for like $100, but I'm going to show you real quick. It's very easy, simple process on how to make one and what I did and used to make mine. So basically right here, this is a stack box. The measurements on my stack box here is I bought one solid piece of wood from Lowe's for like 12 bucks, and I had them cut it, and they do it for free right there. So I had them cut it from here to here, and this measurement is 3 feet. So 3 feet, another one on that side is 3 feet, and then in the front I had it measured out to perfectly fit, like on a picnic table, just like if you're in competition on the ring, the size. So that way when I train with my dog, it makes it a lot easier to know exactly where he's standing. In the front is 28, so it's 28 inches. That you want to get it cut 28 inches. And then basically you're just going to screw it in. From this point, you'll screw it in 3 times and go straight back. It's very simple. The most important thing is on the front part, it just makes sure that you secure this part, the front one, in, so that way it's not wobbly. The rear will wobble a little bit, which is okay, but the front is the main thing that you want to secure, so that way it has a nice flat surface for your dog to put most of the weight on. The back is where you're going to just stretch them out little by little and then keep an eye on it. So what I use here is Velcro. So on the front, the front right here is actually 2x4s. So I have 2x4s on the front that I cut 28 inches, 28 inches, 28 inches, 28 inches. Buy one solid piece, have it cut 3 times. For the frame, one solid piece, cut it 4 times. Once again, the measurement is 3 feet on the sides, 28 on the front. So your 2x4s are going to get cut 28 inches, 28 inches, 28 inches. You get some Velcro. I'm going to put in the links where I got everything so you know exactly the sizes. But you get some Velcro, come from the rear and bring it up to the front, because once this package right here that I'm using, I believe it's 4 feet or 48 inches. So I basically just cut it in half, put it from the rear up here, because that's where you're going to be adjusting, from the rear, not from the front. And I put it on the other side. Put a couple underneath here, so that way I'm able to adjust it. I bought some turf for, I believe, $19 from Tractor Supply. I basically just cut it, wrapped it around. You'll need a staple gun. Just staple it on down. Don't worry too much about the bottom because it's not going to show. And then put Velcro right here on the ends. One thing I do need to do is hit it with a staple, so that way when I pull it up, it doesn't come off. And basically, now you're able to adjust. With this piece right here, you could adjust it whichever length you would like. Remember, this is the front, solid, it's not moving. This one, I put Velcro on as well. I could adjust it if I needed to, but I mostly just focus from the front to the rear on this one. So here goes some of the tools that you'll need. I use these screws right here, so that way I didn't even have to drill anything. Like drill a pilot hole or anything like that. You'll need a drill, these screws, turf, a razor, and just measure it out and cut it. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out.